Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and in this video, I'm going to share with you all of the current market updates for July 2022 for the Pocono Mountains and the Pocono region. So let's get right into the content and let's just share with you what is going on in the Poconos in terms of real estate. Nationally, medium household income has failed to keep up the pace with increasing mortgage payments, with the cost of buying a home 80% more expensive now than they were just 3 summers ago. Whoa. Wow. That's huge, guys. I'm going to just take it back really quick, guys. If you guys remember, if last year and up to now, there was no rentals, the rental space is going to be strong in the Poconos through this recession. Days on the market increased 42% to 37 days. Month supply of inventory was up 16.7% to almost 3 months, 2.8 months. Imagine what's going to happen in the winter. And despite the summer slowdown, homes are still selling quickly, with a typical home staying on the market an average of 14 days. So we're just going to go through this data kind of quickly so you can get a feel for what's happening. New listing, July of 2022, new listings 451. So you saw a decrease there. Year to date, pending home sales are also down, which is a big one. July 22, 293. That's significant. Closed sales 370 to 271. That's 100 less deals closed in the same time, same month this year. All of this is for the Pocono regions, ladies and gentlemen. The market is actually shifting. Good news is that we're still low inventory. We only have 2.8 months of inventory on the market, so there's still some runway. Interest rates are gonna continue to put pressure on the market. Affordability is continuing to go down as interest rates go up. Prices are going to be forced to go down. Sellers are going to have to force to bring their prices down if they want to sell it. If we don't, as sellers, we're going to see a major influx of inventory. We're going to see the average days on the market going up. So that's going to go from 14 and to close is 37 days to close. We're going to see that creeping up slowly. I think it's going to be an interesting winter. I think it's going to be a fun winter for those of us that are prepared. Be ready to play in this market. Be educating yourself, learn the data, understand the data, know what's happening in the market so that you can make correct moves accordingly moving forward. Hey guys, thank you for listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this data. Drop in the comments, share this with someone that needs to get this information in order to make better decisions. Guys, appreciate you guys watching, appreciate you guys listening. Peace out, and I'll see you soon. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.